Hello students, I hope so you all are fine. Today topic of our lesson is subject verb agreement. Now students, in every sentence there is a subject and a verb, but it must agree with the one another in number. That is, it should be in a singular or plural form. Now if a subject is singular, its verb must also be singular. And if a subject is plural, its verb must also be plural. Now you know that what is singular and plural? Singular means in once and plural means in many. But in present tense students, it is the opposite way, where nouns add an s to the singular form and verbs remove an s from the singular form. For example, the dog chases the cat. Now over here dog is what? A singular form, and chases is also a singular form when as where we have added an s to it. But when the dog becomes in plural form, dogs, so we remove the s from it. That means chase becomes in a plural form. So the dogs chase the cat. So dogs is the plural and chase is also plural. Now students, we go to the subjects where the agreement rules are there, like a phrase or a clause. When they are between a subject and a verb, they does not change the number of the subject. They don't change. Like a can of lima beans sits on the shelf. Now a can is what? A subject over here. And sits is a verb. And which is the phrase over here in between? Of lima beans. It is a prepositional phrase because of is used over here. Of is a preposition. Now next is the woman who went to the meeting. Now, woman, look over here, it's in a plural form. So, it's a subject over here. And who went to the meeting were bored. Now, as this is in a plural form, so were is also in a plural form. And which is the dependent clause? Who went to the meeting. So, over here, the verb agrees with the subject woman, not with the meeting. Then comes indefinite pronouns as subjects. Like singular indefinite pronoun subjects, like take singular verbs. Now you know that what are the pronouns where we use as he, she, it, each, either, neither, one, nobody, nothing, anyone, anybody. These all are singular pronouns. So when we use singular pronouns, so what we use is a singular word with it. Each does a good deal of job around the office. Now, each is also singular and does is also singular. If it had been written over here, they, so they would have turned into do, does would have turned into do. So they do a great good deal of work around the office. It becomes like that. So remember, when we are using singular indefinite pronouns, we use singular verbs also. When we come to plural forms are several, few, both, many. Like both do a good deal of work around the office. So both is also a plural form and do is also a plural form. Then some indefinite pronouns may be either singular or plural with uncountable things like sugar, salt. They are uncountable things. Wheat, you can't count them. So, how will you use like some of the sugar is on the floor? We are using a singular form. And some is also singular. Why? Because sugar is uncountable. Then marbles. Now, marbles is what? It is a plural form. And some is also plural. सम में कितना भी हो सकता है, दो हो सकता है, तीन हो सकता है, चार हो सकता है, एनीथिंग. So some of the marbles are on the floor. So they are also uncountable. Students, we are going to do it till here, and next we will do in a next class. Thank you.